it is said that if you are not on the table in the discussion, you possibly could be in the menu. So I think we've been in the menu for far too long.
You're setting the table.
It's time.
Your Excellency, you are an entrepreneur, and you're passionate about technology and entrepreneurship, especially as it impacts the rising generation in Kenya and in Africa. We have a room full of global investors. What would you want them to know about the Kenyan ecosystem that shows them? We've heard a lot about Kenya's open for business, Nairobi's open for business. What would you want them to know about their investments and the potential for investments here in great entrepreneurs in Kenya?
A couple of things. We are leading the way as government of Kenya in leveraging on technology, using technology to deliver government services, as I have said. Government services, we've just distributed fertilizer for the first time in Kenya using technology. We are reaching out on our services to vulnerable communities, about 1.5 million of them, using technology. This morning, and I apologize, I think there was a conflict in my diary. This morning...
We were just getting ready for you, it's okay.
This morning, I was presiding over our Central Bank of Kenya's CSD platform, where it will now be possible to buy government securities on a digital platform by Kenyans or investors from anywhere in the world without having to bother to go and open an account in Central Bank. You can open an account on your phone. That is the level of